dear students. In the previous class, we completed question number 6 from exercise 9.5. Today we are going to start with question number 7. Again, it is the application of the third identity. Till now, we saw first identity, second identity, and yesterday we saw a mixture of all the three identities. Now today it is an application of a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now the first question is 51 square minus 49 square. Here a is 51 and b is 49. So it is in the form of a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So what is a here? 51 plus b, that is 49, into a minus b. So what is 51 plus 49? It is 100. Multiplied by 51 minus 49, that is 2. So what is 100 into 2? 200. Okay. Isn't it easy? Very quickly you will get the answer. Now here 1.02 whole square minus 0.98 whole square. Again a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is 1.02 plus 0.98 multiplied by 1.02 minus 0.98. When you add this, what will you get? 8 plus 2, 0, 9, that is 8 plus 2, 10. So 0 here, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Multiplied by, when you subtract, what do you get? 12 minus 8 is 4. Here again you will get 9. So 9 minus 9, 0, and 0 minus 0 also 0. So 2 into 0.4, that is 0.08. The next question is 153 square minus 147 square. A square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is, when you add 7 plus 3, 10. 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. 1, 2, 3. 300. Multiplied by, subtract. Here 13. 13 minus 7. That is 6. Now for 47 multiplied by, 153 minus 147, which is equal to 6. And at the back you will get 0, 0 only. So when you multiply, what will you get? 3, 6 are 18. And then 2 zeros. Okay, if you do it in the original method which we were doing, the traditional method, you have to find the square of 153, that is 153 multiplied by 153. 3 digit by 3 digit. It takes a long time. Again, multiply 147 by 147. Again, 3 digit by 3 digit multiplication. Then you have to subtract. Such a long method, right? Instead of that, if you use this, it takes only 2 minutes. completed the answer. Okay, so application of identities will help you to calculate easily. Okay, and even faster. Here 12.1 whole square minus 7.9 whole square. That is 12.1 plus 7.9 into 12.1 minus 7.9. What is 12.1 plus 7.9? Very easily you can do. 7.9 plus 0.1 will be 8. So 12 plus 8, that is 20, multiplied by, what will you get when you subtract? 11 minus 9 is 2. So here 11 minus 7 is 4. 4.2. So when you multiply, you get 42 multiplied by 2 is 84. Actually, you will get 840, but here there is a decimal digit. So here 84. The next question is application of the fourth identity. That is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So, to find the value of these products using the fourth identity now. The first question is 103 multiplied by 104. Now we have to decide 100. See children, if you use zero ending numbers as x, then the multiplication will be easy. And try to write a and b as one digit numbers. So that multiplication also will be easy for you. So here 103 can be written as 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 4. So in place of x we have 100, in place of a we have 3 and b is 4. So just substitute the values in this identity. What will you get? This is equal to x square, that is 100 square, plus a plus b, that is 3 plus 4 into 100 plus 3 into 4. When you multiply, we get 10,000 plus 3 plus 4, 7. So 700 plus 12. When you add, we get, see 712, 10,712. So how will you write? 10,712. Okay. The next question is 5.1 into 5.2. So what will be x? Yes, 5. 5 plus 0.1 into 5 plus 0.2. That is equal to, what is x here? 5. A is 0.1 and b is 0.2. So x square will be equal to 5 square. Now a plus b means 0.1 plus 0.2 into 5 plus 0.1 into 0.2. When you multiply, 5 5s are 25. When you add this to 0.3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. So 1.5 plus 0.1 into 0.2 will be 1 2s are 2 and then 2 decimal digits. So 0, 2. So when you add 25, plus 126 point, here 5 plus 0, 5 and 2, 26.52. Okay. The next question is 103 multiplied by 98. So how will you write? 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. And 98, how will you write? 100 minus 2. So here x is 100, a plus 3 and b is minus 2. So here it will be equal to 100 square plus a plus b, that is 3 plus minus 2 into 100 plus 3 into minus 2, that is 10,000. When you do this operation, 3 plus minus 2, you get 1. 1 into 100, 100 plus 3 2s are 6, but it is minus 6. So what will you get here? 10,100 minus 6. So it will be 10,100 minus 6 will be 94. So the answer is 10,094. The next question is 9.7 into 9.8, which is equal to 9 plus 0.7 into 9 plus 0.8. Okay. If you wish to write, you can also write 10 minus 0.3 and 10 minus 0.2. So this one, this operation, you can do it as homework. You try it yourselves. Okay, I am going to do it. I am going to explain it using subtraction method. That is, this is equal to 10 minus 0.3 into 10 minus 0.2. Okay. So what is x here? 10. So 10 square plus, what is a and b here? A is minus 0.3 and b is minus 0.2. X is 10 plus again minus 0.3 into minus 0.2. So what will you get? 10 tens are 100. Here minus 0.3 plus minus 0.2, that will be minus 0.5 into 10. And here minus into minus plus, 3 2s are 6, 0 6. So this will be 100 minus 0.5 into 10 will be 5. So 100 minus 5 plus 0.06. What is 100 minus 5? 95. So 95.06. Now what you have to do is, this way also you can do the same sum can be done in this using this method. Try to do using this method and find out whether you are getting the same answer or not. So this is the last question in this chapter. In the next video, we will start with a new lesson. Okay. Thank you.